Hello, how are you? In this video we'll talk about Terms application and how to use it. To use the application, go to Export and double click on Terms. System will show a window asking for the station number. Set the station number and click on OK button. If the station number doesn't exist, system will show an error message. Now set an existing station and click on OK button. New turn registration window appears. Click on New button. At the lower part of the window, system will generate a ticket for this turn. Click on OK button. We must set the parking lane, which is the same as the scale's door number. If this door is not registered, system will set UNK unknown by default. Then select the scale. If we don't select one, and let it in blank, this turn will be in the queue for all scales that are not exclusive. I will select this. Then set the security pass given to the driver and its order number. Set the driver's name. You can write it, but if it's already in the system, we can look for it with this button. Double click. The license will come automatically if we select an existing driver, but if we don't, we also can set it. We can write here. This data will be filled automatically in case we use a code lector hardware. Select the type of service, and then set airway bill or airway bills. To introduce an airway bill, press F2. Set airway bill number. If the airway bill has been registered in the system before, system will show a message. Then destination, pieces, if documents are ready, cargo type. You can look for the agent with this button. If the airway bill already has been assigned or has a booking, this information will come automatically. If it doesn't, system will show a message indicating this airway bill is not in the system and we won't be able to work with it. There are some exceptions depending on the company. Now, with this button, select the TSA agent information. Look for it, select it with double click. Once chosen, there will appear a window with information. Type, license, expiration date. If it's expired, system will show a message and address. Click on OK. After that, check if cargo is dangerous good, lithium, or passengers. If we select both DG and PAX, system will ask if this DG is CAO. If we say yes, we have this warning. If we say no, it passes. Then select a shipper and a consignee with these buttons. Shipper and consignee. When all information is set, click on TSA button that is at the top of the line. Here we have to fill a survey. This one can be modified by the company anytime. Once finished, click on Save button. To introduce more airway bills, follow the same procedure for each one. With all the information complete, click on the main window Save button. System will show printing window, where we can choose which reports we want to print and with what logo. Once chosen, click on OK button. This is the printing you'll have. the TSA survey printing will be blank in order to be filled manually, even if it was filled in the system. And this way, the turn is registered. Some important additional information. Only open scales will be shown as available. If the turn is not saved, it will appear void in turn management, but you can register it like if it was new. If there is a person working in a station, system will block it in order no other person can work at the same one. In case no one is working at the station and nobody can access, you have to go to Tools, Station, look for the station, edit it, and uncheck Lock. That's all for turns registration. Thank you very much for watching this video.